Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you all know, I am solving previous year questions of IIT JAM. So I think it will helping you a lot. I have already uploaded 4 videos on sequence and series. So if you are interested in this type of videos, please comment, share the videos as much as possible and subscribe the channel. So we will starting the question. The first question is, let M be a real 6 by 6 matrix. 2 and minus 2 be two eigenvalues of M. If M raised to power 5, this is equal to AI plus BM, where I is the identity matrix, A and B, they belongs to R. Then which one is correct? A is 10, B is 11, A is minus 11, B is 10, A is 10, B is 11 and A is 10, B is minus 11. This we have to check. Now what we are given? We are given M matrix. So we are given M matrix of order 6. So what is given to us? And an equation is given to us which is M5. This is equal to AI. I is the identity matrix plus BN. Now 2 and minus 1, these are the two eigenvalues of it. So they will satisfy this equation. So if I take 2 as, first I take the value of M as 2. So what I am getting? A, I is the identity matrix plus B into 2. So I am getting one equation which is A plus 2B. This is equal to 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5 is 32. Now again minus 1 is again the eigenvalue, so it will also satisfy this equation. So what I will get? Minus 1 raised to power 5 is equal to A minus B. So minus 1 raised to power 5, it will give you A minus B is equal to minus 1. Now I have to solve these two equations, 1 and 2. So you can see that if you add these two equations or if you subtract these two equations, then A get cancelled. So you are left with 3B, which is equal to so what you will get? These two get cancelled. B will be, or this is equal to A plus A plus 2B is equal to 32. This is equation 1. So subtracting these two, what you will get? Minus 3B is equal to minus 33. Or you will get B is equal to 11. Now substitute the value of 11 in equation number 2. So if you substitute this value, what you have? A minus B is equal to minus 1. So A minus 11 is equal to minus 1. This will give you A is equal to 10. So the correct value is A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 11. So which one is correct? A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11. So first option is the correct answer. Clear? Now this question is asked in IIT JAM 2020. Consider the real vector space P 2020. This is equal to sigma I varies from 0 to n, ai xi, I belongs to R and n it lies between 0 to 2020. Let W be the subspace given by W is equal to sigma I varies from 0 to n, ai xi belongs to P 2020 and AI is equal to 0 for all odd i's. Then the dimension of W is. So you have to find the dimension of the W. Now P set is given to us. So solution. So P is given to us, P 2020. This is equal to, just expand it, put I is equal to 0. So you will get A0 x raised to power 0. That will give you 1. So you will get A0 plus A1x plus A2x square and so on. It will go up to n varies from n starts from 0 and it finishes at 2020. So this will be A2020 x raised to power 2020. Clear? This is the P set. Now W set is, to just vary it, put the values of I from 0 to n. So again we will get A0, A1. Now A1 is 0, A3 is 0, A5 is 0 because AI is equal to 0 for all odd i's. So next term you have A2 x square plus A4 x4 and so on, and you will get A 2020 x raised to power 2020. Now you can see that what are the bases for this W? Bases for W are 1 x square, x4 and so on, x 2020. These are the bases. Now number of bases are said to be the dimension of W. So you can count these. These are half of 2020. So these are 1010 plus 1 get added 1. So this is 1011. So dimension of W, this is equal to 1011. Clear? Next you have, now matrix M is given to us. It is a 4 by 4 matrix. You have to find determinant A 8I minus M whole cube. So first of all we will write the matrix M. So M is equal to 9 0 0 0 2 7 0 0 7 2 11 minus 5 1 1 6 and 0. So what will we do? We will just try to rearrange it. So what will we do? We will apply the operation C34. C34 means we will interchange third column with the fourth column. So if you interchange third column with the fourth column, what you will get? You will get 9 0 0 0 2 7 0 0 and then you will get 1 1 6 0 7 2 11 and minus 5. So you can see that on interchanging third column with the fourth one, what you are getting a upper triangular form. So upper triangular form is this, then its eigenvalues will be these one, 9 7 6 and minus 5. These are the eigenvalues. So what will we find? Now we will find 8I minus M whole cube and then we will find its determinant for various values of M. Now if M is your 9, so this is 8 minus 9 cube which is equal to minus 1 cube which is equal to minus 1. Here M we have taken as 9. Now for M is equal to 7, what will we have? 8 minus 7 whole cube. So which is equal to 1. 1 cube is 1. Next you have M is equal to 6. So for M is equal to 6, I have 8 minus 6 whole cube. which is equal to 2 cube and which is equal to 8. Then for m is equal to minus 5, but we have 8 minus 5 whole cube, which is equal to 3 cube. 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27. So determinant of 8i minus m whole cube, but it will be the multiplication of these, minus 1 into 1 into 8 into 27. So this will be the value of the determinant. Whatever value you are getting, that will be the answer. Clear? Next you have, now in this question we have three system of linear equations in four unknowns x, y, z and t, and he says that if the solution of if system has no solution, then the value of k is. So we have to find the value of k when system has no solution. We know that system has no solution if rank of A, this is not equal to rank of augmented matrix. So first of all, we will write the augmented matrix. So A augmented matrix B, this is equal to 1 1 1 1 4 1 2 3 4 5 and then 1 3 5 k 5. So we will apply Gauss elimination method over it. So first of all, we will make this entry as 0. Then we will make this entry as 0 with the help of elementary row operation. So first of all, I will make this entry as 0 by applying R2 minus R1. Then I will apply, okay, just apply this. So what you will get? 1 1 1 1 4, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 4 is 1. Then again I apply R3 minus R1 so as to make this entry as 0. So but it will be 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 1 4, k minus 1 and then I have 5 minus 4 is 1. Clear? Now I want to make this entry as 0. So what will I do? I will apply R3 minus 2 times R1. So on applying R3 minus 2 R1. So what you will get? You will get 1 1 1 1 4 0 1 2 3 1 0 0 0 k minus 7 minus 2. Clear? Now you can see that this is our matrix A and the whole matrix is the augmented matrix. So what it is? This is A, B. Augmented matrix AB. Now rank of matrix A will be 2 if k minus 7 this is equal to 0. So k is equal to 7. So if k is equal to 7, then rank of A will be 2 and rank of augmented matrix will be 3. So for the value of k is equal to 7, rank of A, this is not equal to rank of augmented matrix. This means system has no solution. System has no solution for k is equal to 7. Clear? So this is the value of k. So thanks to all. So if you like this video, so just share it and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot.